On March 1st, 2025, three U Chicago students were robbed while walking on campus. And they're not alone, as over 31,000 crimes are reported on college campuses in the US annually. This leads to students being confused about which parts of their cities are safe and not, because navigation apps prioritize speed over safety. Thus, I've created Transporta, a navigation app avoiding high crime, allowing students to navigate the city with confidence and giving visuals with crime heat maps. This app calculates the fastest and most crime-free route for students, allowing them to navigate in ease throughout their cities. Let's see this in action. Since this app is primarily designed for college students who rely on walking or public transportation, this app allows them to choose their start location and end location and calculate the shortest and safest route using Chicago crime data. This gives the location, the amount of distance between them, it gives if crime data is available, and the walking or driving type. Next, the heat map is generated. The heat map essentially allows users to see how much crime has been reported on each street, with different colors of red representing the amount of crime. As you can see, there is a lot of crime in certain areas of the city, but thankfully, the route avoids those areas of crime, allowing the student to get to Nichols Park from UChicago safe. Furthermore, the app gives turn-by-turn directions and gives an option to open it in Google Maps, allowing students to use their existing modes of navigation with a safer route. Using the user's inputted starting point and destination point anywhere in Illinois, the app converts these addresses into latitude and longitude coordinates. It then checks whether the locations are within the Illinois or Chicago boundaries using geometric calculations with GeoPandas and Shapely, which allows the app to decide whether to include crime data. I got the crime data from the Chicago Police Department's street-by-street crime data, which is available on their website open source, and as you can see, it's very big and took some time to analyze. I then built a street network around the midpoint between the origin and destination using OpenStreetMap data via OSMNX. Each road segment is weighted by travel time and crime risk, with higher crime areas discouraged by the pathfinding algorithm. The app uses the A-star algorithm to calculate the optimal route and overlays parks, rivers, and water bodies as visual landmarks. The backend, which is powered by Flask, handles requests, calculates routes, and generates turn-by-turn directions. It also produces the visual heat map. Transporta also uses a Google Maps link for navigation. By balancing efficiency and safety, it helps users make informed decisions when walking, driving, or navigating unfamiliar areas. Now, with Transporta, students don't have to choose between safety or speed. They get both. And to prevent another incident like on March 1st, it's time to use Transporta.